Well, going back to my experience no sa youth tsaka sa enterprise no, it really won't be hindi siya lalayo dun sa mga sektor na yon no. For the youth, maraming issues yan no. Almost all youth issues are national issues no. So, pag sinabi nating education, employment, health, these are all youth issues because the majority of Filipinos are young. So, marami yan, samut-sari yan no. But what we will really focus on is what I talked about earlier, which is connecting our educational institutions towards industry. Because I think what is most urgent is that marami sa mga kabataan natin join the ranks of the unemployed. And in fact, if you look at the figures, the unemployment sector, the largest sector in the unemployment sector is the youth sector. So it is a youth problem in our country and in many other countries now. So how can we help solve that? One, in terms of the current jobs that are already available, let's create linkages so that yung pipeline natin tuloy-tuloy. Kung meron man tayong gap dyan, maybe we create a stopgap by creating another institution or training institutions to help retrain some of our graduates or retrain some of our out-of-school youth so they can actually get these jobs. No, I don't think you need a college degree to get a to join a BPO. No, I think if I'm not mistaken, high school marami sa kanila tumatanggap na. So at least even then, that can already help stem a lot of the problems sa unemployment. No? Second, is to support the investments coming in. No? Create that environment where more investors can come in, more jobs open up, and again, decrease the ranks of the unemployed because there are more jobs opening up. And third, and this goes to the enterprise side naman, for those who wala na sila talagang mga trabahong makuha kasi there's not enough jobs, is to support them going into entrepreneurship and into initially micro businesses but eventually small and medium enterprises. No? How can you support them? Again, you go back to the three. Access to financing, access to training, access to market. Itong tatlong to, this is what we do in Happynoy. No? Paulit-ulit yan. Yan tatlong lang yan. We've gone to farmers groups. It's the same thing that they're looking for. Access to financing, access to training, access to market. If we can just make sure that these three are national policies or at least implemented by national agencies on a large scale, you have a very, how do I say it siguro, a very real solution to the problem of many of our entrepreneurs now. Now, on a broader level, when you look at the problems of enterprise, yung problema ng maraming entrepreneurs is that they feel na sila yung pinapahirapan ng gobyerno. Once you start growing, you will feel na parang pinapahirapan ata ako, di ba? Hindi lang pinapabayaan, ha? Some will even say pinapahirapan. In terms of taxation, in terms of lack of incentives. Well, I believe that, these entrepreneurs need to be supported because they create jobs, they help the local economy. Eventually, they create world-class level types of institutions. If we have more support for entrepreneurs, what more can we produce? No? What greater things can we do if government does come in and support entrepreneurs more? Para sa mga micro, yung mga issues dyan talaga are more basic. No? Basic accounting, basic bookkeeping, access to market, no? Being able to get the best prices, being able to sell at the right prices. No? It's more basic, but it's still needed. No?